Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best Android wireless CarPlay in this video? I will show you the top 5 best Android wireless CarPlay to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Audacast E2. Specifications. Brand name, Audacast. Model E2. System, Android 13. CPU, Qualcomm Snapdragon 6125. Bluetooth, 5.0. SIM card, 2G, 3G, 4G LTE Nano SIM card. Storage and expansion, 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage. Origin, China. Number 4 is MMB Max 5.0 Smart Box. Specifications. Brand name, MMB. Model, Q4W. System, Android 13. CPU, Qualcomm 6225. Memory, 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Positioning system, Beidou, GPS, GLONASS. Bluetooth, BT 5.0. Connection type, 4G SIM card, Wi-Fi. Working environment, -2070°C. Origin, China. As the item number 3 we've selected, Carlinkit AI Box. Specifications. Brand name, Carlinkit. Model, CPC 200 Box S2. System, Android 13.0. CPU, Qualcomm SM6115 quad-core ARM. GPU, Adreno 610. Memory, 4GB LPDDR4 RAM plus 64GB eMMC flash. Power consumption 5 watts. Wi-Fi frequency, 802.11a/b/g/n/ac, 2.4 GHz plus 5.8 GHz. Bluetooth version, 2.1 plus EDR/3.0/4.1 LE/4.2 BLE/5.0 LE. Number 2 is Carlinkit 3-in-1 Android 15 CarPlay AI Box. Specifications. Brand name, Carlinkit. System, Android 15.0. CPU, Qualcomm's SM6350. RAM 8GB. GPS, built-in GPS. Support extension, 512GB. Bluetooth, 5.0. Wi-Fi, 2.4G plus 5G. Bluetooth version, 5.1. Material, ABS. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Carlinkit CarPlay AI Box. Specifications. Brand name, Carlinkit. Model, CPC 200 Box. System, Android 13.0. CPU, Box Ambient Qualcomm's SM6225, SDM660, Box Plus, Qualcomm's QCM6125. GPU, Adreno 610. Memory, 4GB, 8GB RAM, 64GB, 128GB ROM. Power consumption 5 watts. Wi-Fi frequency, 802.11a/b/g/n/ac, 2.4G plus 5G. Bluetooth frequency, 4.2 BLE plus 5.0 BLE. Material, ABS plus PC.